Carmen just left her abusive partner. With no access to a car, Carmen and her children had to take the bus to the police station to pick up a copy of the report she filed upon her husband's arrest. While there, Carmen was advised to get a temporary restraining order, but the courts were closed. She would have to wait until tomorrow. The next morning, she took another bus back to the court, only to realize she couldn't meet with a lawyer until noon. She had to call out of work. Later that afternoon, Carmen was told she'd need to make yet another stop if she wanted emergency financial support. Unfortunately, the office was closed, and she'd have to wait until the next day. Carmen called out of work again. She had more stops to make, more questions to answer, and more people with whom she had to explain her situation. It would take Carmen several more days to just begin the process of receiving support. Like many survivors, Carmen considered giving up on seeking services altogether. The Morris Family Justice Center was designed for people like Carmen. Instead of bouncing from one location to the next, taking days off of work and racking up transportation costs, Carmen was connected to every service she might need in one location. Upon entering the Morris Family Justice Center, Carmen and her children were greeted by a client service specialist. They were then led through a warm, inviting space that felt more like a home than a sterile office. While Carmen settled into a large, comfortable couch with a warm cup of coffee from the kitchen, her children went to play in the kids' room with a staff person. She recounted her story once more and was told she could file a restraining order through the sheriff's office. She could receive legal consultation regarding family law from the Legal Services of Northwest Jersey, and she could find immigration support through the Morris County Organization of Hispanic Affairs. Before leaving, she developed a safety plan for her family and was connected to counseling services. Amid immense uncertainty and fear, Carmen was able to find hope at the Morris Family Justice Center. She realized that she didn't need to go through this process alone, and that all the support she might need was available to her and countless others in one location, the Morris Family Justice Center.